Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum is still, ranging basically. The commentary from the last video is basically still valid. Ether has done enough to complete here a 5-wave move to the upside in wave 5 of 3. So that would be my primary scenario, that either wave 5 of 3 is complete or we are still extending higher because that 1860 level never got a sustained break, so it could still technically extend higher, maybe one more wave up, but technically the requirements to fulfill this circle wave 5 of 3, they are fulfilled, the minimum requirements, and then I can only really give you support for trend continuation. And I can highlight to you that we have to just be mindful that a pullback can occur from here, but so far there is no evidence. In fact, it tried to break support, but then recovered very, very quickly. There were probably quite a few stops just below that 1860 level, but we had no sustained break. So it can still extend higher, even though the move up can be counted as a 5-wave move. Now, if wave 5 of 3 is finished, then I would like to see a break below today's low to confirm. And then this orange box will be the support area for the larger degree 4th wave. Ideal support area for me is between 1727 and 1771. And then we can go up there or go up from there and fulfill the overall impulse in wave 5 of the larger degree. So these are basically the two wave counts. Either this is wave 5 of 3 or this is one, okay, wave 5 of 3, okay, could extend a little higher or so, and then we go in 4 and 5, or that's actually the other one that I mentioned in the previous videos. All of this move up can be considered a 5-wave move. Nothing I'm primarily watching for, because then this wave 5 wouldn't happen. Just need to mention that as an alternative. It doesn't count that well. I like the idea that this here is only wave 5 of 3, and we get another 4-5 section. Now looking at the microstructure, just to show you that this can already be counted as a 5-wave move. If we add here the smaller micro counts, 1, 2. Okay, so this first 1, 2 section down here on Friday, then this would have been 3, a 4, and a 5. So technically, not only when we look at the fibs, because it did reach the minimum fib level here at 1902, but also looking at the wave count and apply Fibonacci levels, then this is, 1 second, I think I need to 3, this needs to sit here. And 1 second, this is fine. So it fulfilled also from a labeling point of view all the requirements. The wave 3 is a 5-wave move here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's all good. The thing is just, they can always extend higher, right? I mean, for example, it's possible that this here was wave 4 like this, right? This is then, depending on how low we go, there will always be alternative counts on the smallest time frames. But if I measure the fibs, you can see we never broke the 50% fib, which is here at 1848. But for me, that last swing low here is also relevant. So we'll see. I mean, very hard to say if this is still extending higher or not. The possibility exists, but you need to know whenever we fulfilled minimum requirements for a move, we just have to be very mindful that a pullback can occur. And if a pullback occurs in wave 4, then we might already have seen here an A wave to the downside. This might just be a B wave, and then the C wave to the downside can follow. So, but it needs to confirm that for me with a break below the A wave low. Okay, so that's just sort of what I'm watching currently on the smaller time frames here. But overall, the trend is still up, and I would like to see one more extension higher in this larger degree 5th wave. But we first need to be completing the 4th. Notable still that only really a break below today's low would confirm that we are already in the larger degree 4th wave. Until then, we can extend higher. 1976 is going to be the next fib extension. And if we take a look at the daily chart, then I just want to remind you of the next structural resistance levels as well, which are going to be very important. First of all, ETH is just at the cusp of a breakout here out of this price channel. And that's basically, yeah, at $1,900. Plus the next resistance level is at 2030 and then 2150. Above 2150, yeah, we are going to see a new 2023 high, which could result in some further FOMO. And yeah, then we are just following this pathway higher. Until support levels break, we're going to be focused on the upside. That's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.